everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Island collection from Color Me Pretty. It includes 2 presets, 6 filters, and 5 brushes. So let's get started. As you can see, the image I've got pulled up here is of a little girl standing on the beach, which is actually an image I shot of my daughter last summer on vacation with my D800. And right now it's pretty blah. It's not something I would choose to print, much less hang up on any wall in our home. So let's get started, and I'll show you what just a few minutes in Lightroom can do for your images to make them wall-worthy prints and works of art to hang up in your clients' homes. So here we go. Alright, so first we're going to add the preset, the Island, which is obviously included in this collection. And it already has 2 filters, as you can see, that are part of that preset. So immediately this preset has just added some nice color and a little bit of warmth to the image, and it's already looking way better than what we started with. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to start by adding some brushes in. The first one is called Orange Vignette, and make sure that your feathering and your flow are all the way up to 100%. And then we're just going to trace around the outside edge, just like a vignette should be, of your image. And again, all these brushes, filters, and presets are customizable to your specific image. I didn't want that quite as dark as the standard brush setting is for that, so I just brighten it up a little bit. And then make sure you click the new button up here every time that you switch to a new brush or filter. Otherwise you're going to be adjusting that same adjustment dot that you're on instead of adding another brush or filter to your image. The next one we're going to do is called Surf, and this is just going to put some blue back in that gorgeous Gulf of Mexico water. In the evenings it turns this lovely turquoise color that the camera, for whatever reason, just never quite picks up that color that is there in real life. So we're just going to go in and just brush this on. I encourage you to kind of try to keep it off the frothy parts of the wave. And also, when you're going around your subject, make sure that you don't leave a halo so you're coming clear out here. You want to get in there and brush right next to her, but you also want to make sure that you're not brushing any blue on her pretty pink dress. So bear with me for just a few moments here while I add this color into our image here. And as you can see, it's really just putting the life back in this image, just making it really come to life and be more believable. And just, oh, that water is so pretty and so warm, especially this time of year. Give me just a few more moments here. And now another suggestion, as you're going around your subjects, you can always zoom in right there to make sure that you're not getting it on her dress like I just did right there. But the erase button is there. It's super handy, and you can always change your feathering so that you can get right onto those edges and make everything look crisp and clean and natural, just like it should. I'm also going to take a little bit off, move my flow up there, so I can get that blue back off those frothy parts of the waves as they're coming in. Already looking so much better. Look at that, gorgeous. All right, now let's be sure to click new again. And the next brush we're going to add, just for a little bit of center fill to your image, it's called Lemon. So we're just going to go right here in the center, just kind of just brighten it up, really pretty like that. Just really brings the focus in on her. And then this next one called Butter is one of my favorites, especially for summer images. It just gives it that summery feel, and I just love it. Absolutely love it. Now make sure you click new again, and now we're going to move over and we're going to do filters. So like I said, there's already 2 that are a part of this original preset, the Island, but we're going to add just a couple more in here. The first one's going to be Rose Gold. This one, you're not going to see a huge difference in this image, but it just gives that little extra oomph in there that just really, you'll see in just a minute as soon as we add this other one with it, how gorgeous it's going to be. The next filter is Peachy, and we're just going to come right here at the bottom, and it's going to make this gorgeous summery beach sky sunset that we're going. It's so pretty. Look at that. The sun is actually setting behind her, but it always reflects these beautiful colors out on the clouds over the horizon of the ocean where we stay at. And there's one other filter we're going to add. So click New, and then we're going to add, it's called Pretty Pink. It's right here, and we're just going to add it just right over her dress right there. Just a little bit. And it just kind of helps that dress color pop. Now, let's close all that up, and you can just see the image for what it is. So just a few minutes, and you have something that your clients are going to absolutely just love. Here's the original image that we started with. And now we have a stunning work of art that's worth being printed and hung up to display. Thanks for hanging out and listening, and I hope you have a blessed day.